Today we're going to create an illustration of Sung Jin Woo from Solo Leveling, transforming the text Sung Jin Woo into a character drawing. Let's get started. Start by writing the text Sung Jin Woo using a simple font or handwritten style. Make sure the letters are spaced out enough so they can be connected into a drawing. Draw a line connecting the letter N to G to form the head. Then add facial details such as the eyes and Jin Woo's expression. Extend a line from the letter J to form the legs, adjusting the shape for proper proportions. For the letter S, extend a line from its end and connect it to other lines to create his jacket. Then continue drawing the body and arms. Use the letter W as one of the hands, modifying its shape to look natural. Connect the letters I and N with a line to form the other hand. Then continue drawing the dagger and other weapon details. Begin drawing one of the shadow soldiers, Igris. Start with Igris's head. Then extend a line and connect it to the letter U to shape his headpiece. Use the letter O to represent splashing water or energy effects. Once completed, you can color it or leave it in black and white for a dramatic effect. And we're done. Now we have an illustration of Sung Jin Woo, created entirely from his name. Super creative, right? Try making your own version and explore more design techniques.